your simple keto diet guide. Research has demonstrated that adopting this low-carb, high-fat diet can promote fat loss and even improve certain conditions such as type 2 diabetes. This video explains what to eat and avoid while following a keto diet and provides a 1-week keto meal plan to get you started. The keto diet, as a rule, is very low in carbs, high in fat and moderate in protein. When following a ketogenic diet, carbs are typically reduced to 20 to 50 grams per day, though looser versions of the diet exist. This carb reduction forces your body to rely on fats for its main energy source instead of glucose, a process known as ketosis. Though fat is often avoided for its high calorie content, research shows that ketogenic diets are significantly more effective at promoting weight loss than low-fat diets. Keto diets also reduce hunger and increase satiety, which can be particularly helpful when trying to lose weight. This is why sticking to keto-friendly foods and avoiding items rich in carbs is the best way to successfully lose weight on a ketogenic diet. A healthy ketogenic diet should consist of about 75% fat, 10 to 30% protein and no more than 5% or 20 to 50 grams of carbs per day. When following a ketogenic diet, meals and snacks should center around the following foods: pastured and organic whole eggs, poultry such as chicken and turkey, fatty fish such as wild-caught salmon, herring and mackerel, meat such as grass-fed beef, venison, pork, organ meats, bison, full-fat dairy such as yogurt, butter and cream, full-fat cheese such as cheddar, mozzarella, brie, goat cheese, nuts and seeds such as almonds, pumpkin seeds, peanuts, flax seeds, nut butter such as natural peanut, almond and cashew butter, healthy fats such as coconut oil, olive oil, avocado oil, sesame, non-starchy vegetables such as greens, broccoli, tomatoes, mushrooms, condiments such as salt, vinegar, lemon juice, herbs, spices, and finally, avocados can be added to almost any meal. Avoid foods rich in carbs while following a keto diet. For example, bread and baked goods, pasta, grains and grain products, beans and legumes, sweets and sugary foods, sweetened beverages, starchy vegetables, fruit such as citrus, bananas and pineapple, high-carb sauces such as barbecue sauce, sugary salad dressings and certain alcoholic beverages such as beer and sugary mixed drinks. Though carbs should be restricted, low glycemic fruits such as berries can be enjoyed in limited amounts as long as you're maintaining a keto-friendly macronutrient range. While on a ketogenic diet, high-carb drinks must be avoided just like high-carb foods. Keto-friendly beverage options must be sugar-free. A ketogenic meal plan, like any healthy diet, should include whole foods and many fiber-rich, low-carb vegetables. Snacking between meals can help moderate hunger and keep you on track while following a ketogenic diet. Because the ketogenic diet is so filling, you may only need 1 or 2 snacks per day, depending on your activity level. Though these keto snacks can maintain fullness between meals, they can also contribute to weight gain if you're snacking too much throughout the day. Increase your fiber intake by snacking on sliced, low-carb vegetables with a high-fat dipping sauce. Many studies show that low-carb and ketogenic diets can lead to dramatic weight loss and provide numerous health benefits. It's important to eat the appropriate number of calories based on your activity level, weight loss goal, age and gender. Keto diet plan for 1 week. Monday, breakfast, 2 eggs fried in pastured butter served with sautéed greens. Lunch, a bunless grass-fed burger topped with cheese, mushrooms and avocado atop a bed of greens. Dinner, pork chops with green beans sautéed in coconut oil. Tuesday, breakfast, mushroom omelette. Lunch, tuna salad with celery and tomato atop a bed of greens. Dinner, roast chicken with cream sauce and sautéed broccoli. Wednesday, breakfast, bell pepper stuffed with cheese and eggs. Lunch, arugula salad with hard-boiled eggs, turkey, avocado and blue cheese. Dinner, grilled salmon with spinach sautéed in coconut oil. Thursday, Breakfast, full-fat yogurt topped with keto granola. Lunch, steak bowl with cauliflower rice, cheese, herbs, avocado and salsa. Dinner, bison steak with cheesy broccoli. Friday, breakfast, baked avocado egg boats. Lunch, Caesar salad with chicken. Dinner, pork chops with vegetables. Saturday, breakfast, cauliflower toast topped with cheese and avocado. Lunch, bunless salmon burgers topped with pesto. Dinner, meatballs served with zucchini noodles and Parmesan cheese. Sunday, breakfast, coconut milk chia pudding topped with coconut and walnuts. Lunch, Cobb salad made with greens, hard-boiled eggs, avocado, cheese and turkey. Dinner, coconut chicken curry. As you can see, ketogenic meals can be diverse and flavorful.